Are you feeling stressed and overwhelmed with planning of your big day? Choosing your celebrant, your makeup artist, your hairstylist, your wedding stationery, your photographer, your videographer, your location. It's all very overwhelming, and I'm here to help you. I have been working in the bridal industry for over 30 years as a bridal makeup artist and as a wedding celebrant, and I've seen all there is to see with nerves and jitters, going back as far as the makeup trial all the way through to the morning of the wedding when last minute jitters can kick in, or maybe it's that you don't like being the centre of attention, whether you're the bride or the groom. So to help you deal with all the stress, I'd like to introduce you to my brand, Focus by Rhona X. This is a premium CBD oil. It's full spectrum. It is homegrown here in Ireland in County Wicklow in a farm. It is completely natural product. It's vegan, it's celiac friendly, it's gluten friendly, and it is a really natural remedy for helping to deal with anxiety and stress. The dosage is 1 full dropper morning and evening, and it's just taken in under the tongue, and it has to be taken for a minimum of 2 weeks to see the full benefits of it. I have a full video on my website, focusbyrhonax.com, and that has all the information about CBD oil, how to take it, how to mix it with foods, and we have lots more products coming very, very soon. So whether you're a bride-to-be, groom-to-be, bridesmaid-to-be, groomsman-to-be, or just part of the bridal party and have a lot of stress or anxiety, check out focusbyrhonax.com, and as a thank you, I'd like to give you a little discount of 10% off, and the discount code is WOL10.